For the final trade of the day, we are sending it over to pro trader Jane Gallina for a look at some oil plays. Hello, Jane.
Hello, Angela. Well, this week in particular, looking at seasonality, I am checking out some oil stocks, ExxonMobil and ConocoPhillips. So looking at those two, they both in general tend to have roughly 10 to 11% returns going into the end of the year from this time in March. It starts that upward trend. We have seen that they have come off of a bottom, and it looks like they're sort of in the middle of a sine wave, if you can envision that in your mind. So looking at the ConocoPhillips, we also have a downward wedge breakout, one of my favorite patterns. And I would use the 1715 area as support. If it breaches back down below there, I would exit, and a confirmed move to the upside when we can break out up above 120. Now, I do see that this could go up potentially to 125 on up to 130 into the end of the year. With ExxonMobil, very similar. We have a nice rounded bottom to that, depth down to $95, midline roughly 105. So looking for another 10 points up to the upside, if not more, up to new highs above the breakout of 121. Right now for ExxonMobil, I would be looking at that 108.50 area as my support. If that were to be breached, hey, let's get out. If it continues, confirmation up above 115. So looking for, again, a nice 10 to 11% return on both the names going into the end of the year. The summer season is always a time when people start taking road trips. They start traveling more as the kiddos are out of school.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.